Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the exciting world of cryptocurrency and how to navigate it safely. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to keep your crypto safe from hackers. With the rise of digital currencies, ensuring the security of your assets is more important than ever. So, let's get started. First and foremost, it's essential to understand that while the crypto world offers incredible opportunities, it also comes with its share of risks. Hackers are constantly looking for vulnerabilities, so being proactive is key. One of the best ways to protect your crypto is by using a hardware wallet. Unlike online wallets, hardware wallets store your private keys offline, making it significantly harder for hackers to access your funds. Think of it as a safe for your digital assets, secure and reliable. Next, always enable two-factor authentication to FA on your accounts. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone. It's a simple step that can make a world of difference in keeping your account secure. Be cautious about the platforms you choose for trading or storing your crypto. Research exchanges thoroughly before committing your assets. Look for platforms with a solid reputation, robust security measures, and positive user reviews. Remember, if something seems too good to be true, it probably is. Always trust your instincts and do your due diligence. Phishing attacks are another common threat in the crypto space. Be vigilant about the emails and messages you receive. Always double-check URLs and avoid clicking on suspicious links. If you receive a message claiming to be from your exchange or wallet provider, go directly to their official website instead of following any links. Staying informed about the latest scams can help you avoid falling victim to these tactics. Regularly updating your software is also crucial. Whether it's your wallet app or your computer's operating system, keeping everything up to date ensures you have the latest security patches. Cybercriminals often exploit outdated software, so don't let that be a vulnerability for you. Lastly, consider diversifying your crypto holdings. By spreading your investments across different assets and wallets, you reduce the risk of losing everything in case of a breach. It's all about creating a safety net for yourself. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these tips empower you to take control of your crypto security. Remember, staying informed and proactive is your best defense against hackers. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the world of cryptocurrency. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.